You get what you pay for. I believe that's true. Oh, you might think you've beat the system every now and again, but the ledger always balances out one way or another in the end. $3 for a wall mount corkscrew? What a great deal! Of course, at the end of the day, value is in the eye of the beholder. Much like this Syrah. You get what you pay for. And then you fix it yourself. Hey there, future me again. Well, his future. My present. Your past. It's all very relative. Not unlike a piece of wood with 4 holes drilled in it in a non-symmetrical pattern. Yeah, that's right. That piece of wood is upside down. Of course, the glue will be well dry before our boy realizes his mistake. But don't worry, he comes up with a clever, albeit homespun solution to solve the problem. No spoilers. Let's see how he does. You get what you pay for. Whether you're paying with cash, time, effort, or energy, you get what you pay for.